Hi, I'm Derek. I'm a drummer, a percussionist, and a bass player. I'm really into pedagogy. What we're gonna do is attempt to make all of you more comfortable with rhythm exponentially in the next 45 minutes. I promise it will be absolutely awesome for your chops. Mostly your brain, but also your hands. Okay, cool, much better. So there's this trend in orchestras and symphonies and things like that. They're like, the string players can't keep time. It's a terrible trend and it plagues almost every string player that I know. So why is that? Because when you have an instrument like percussion, for example, we're like obsessed with rhythm because that's all it is. You know, we use our hands to hit stuff. You guys are much more expressive with your instruments. You have control over dynamics, you have control over lots more control over like very beautiful phrasing. When everybody ever thinks of a movie soundtrack, they think of violin and French horn, but mostly violin. So you drag your arm across the bow. There's a little second where it takes time to get the string moving, right? It's a little bit different than a lot of instruments in that way, especially as the strings get bigger. You know, if you're playing bass, it doesn't start right away, so you have to account for that. Much better. What were you thinking in your head while you were clapping?
I was trying to just be really consistent